Dry fitting tiles is the critical step that prevents costly mistakes by letting you plan layout, cuts, and appearance before adhesive goes down. Start by clearing and measuring the area accurately, then snap chalk lines to mark the center and main sight lines so your pattern stays balanced across the room. Lay out full tiles from the center toward the walls without adhesive, keeping consistent spacing with tile spacers or small strips of cardboard so grout joints will be even. Identify where partial tiles will fall and make those cuts ahead of time using a proper cutter or wet saw, and dry place each cut tile to confirm it fits and reads well in the pattern. Check transitions to doorways and fixtures and adjust the layout so larger cuts land under cabinets or in less visible zones rather than at entry thresholds. For irregular walls or out-of-square rooms, scribe a template on paper or cardboard to transfer the exact profile to the tile for a single precise cut. Label tiles on the back with a pencil indicating their position and orientation so you can reinstall them exactly after you spread adhesive. The most common issue is starting adhesive too soon and then discovering a layout problem, which you avoid by completing the full dry fit and marking each tile before any adhesive is used. Another frequent problem is uneven grout lines caused by inconsistent spacer use, so keep spacers in place across several tiles and check frequently with a small level for flatness. A third concern is ending up with very narrow edge cuts at baseboards that look poor, so adjust the initial starting line by shifting the central layout so cut sizes at opposite walls are balanced and visually acceptable. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners to local contractors and helps contractors find work by listing projects and contact opportunities geared to each area. We also host a discussion community where users share tips, ask questions, and post photos so you can learn from real experiences before you start your tile installation.